Here is yesterday's painting, and I am seeing gold. Not sure how, but that looks like gold to me. Anyway, I love the way this painting turned out. So let's get in to painting number 10 of 30 paintings in 30 days. This gold canvas at Michael's, and I wanted to do a pour on it. So we're working with metallic black, iridescent black, metallic white, and metallic black. And I decided to put some gold glitter in that metallic black to match the canvas. And of course, we're mixing our paints with Floetrol. I normally do 2 parts Floetrol and 1 part paint, and we're mixing until we get to the consistency that feels like warm honey. This is going to be a ring pour, and instead of just letting all the paint flow into a dirty cup, I decided to be intentional with how the paint is layered in the cup. So I am pouring on the side, making sure that the layers are stacked on top of each other instead of the chaos in the cup that I normally do. And this is going to give more of that ring pattern. At least that's what I'm hoping for. Now let's pour in a slow circular motion and hoping to keep the lines of those rings intact. Look at the pattern in the cup. Isn't that cool? So now we are ready to tilt the painting, and we want to try to keep as much of the details of the ring on the canvas. So we're going to be careful when we're tilting so that we don't lose all of the pattern off over the sides. All right, here is the finished painting, and I love it. I wish I had put a little bit more of the gold glitter into the paint so that it popped a little more, but I'm not mad at this at all. This is giving me a night sky vibe, and you can see the sparkly of the white glitter. And I'm hoping that the gold glitter will pop up more as it dries down. But that completes day 10 of 30 paintings in 30 days. Make sure to like and subscribe so that you see how this dries down and you see what we paint next. Stay colorful, everyone.